Akondli lives rent free in my head. Hayibo bafethu ngempela like ngingaposta abafana niba expose ukuthi abondli bayizinja. Oh, like let's be serious. Girl, uma uyithanda ngempela, you wouldn't do that to yourself. Why? Because number one, it means he still matters. More than anything, he will be angry makayibona ukuthi uyatrenda, but most of all, umfana uzojabulela ukuthi he still matters. That's the first thing. Second thing, akhumbula mhla nenze ngani? Kwakumnandi angithi nawe wawukhona. Wawu-aware ukuthi ulele nenja. Which means wena uyithatha njengobani, all right? And then another thing, i-internet ayikhohlwa, ingane zenu one day they will retrieve this bethole behlangana nakho and wena uzobuthi ubaba wakhe uyinja. But most of all, this is what I want to stretch out. You know what? Umuntu osilisa ngiyakhumbula kuthiwa umuntu osilisa uyasithanda isilima. Umuntu osilisa not necessarily ukuthi uyasithanda isilima, but umuntu osilisa uyakunaka uma ngabe umuntu omandla emlonyeni kodwa uyivila. Wenza exactly lento abayifunayo. Wenza exactly lento abayifunayo. Uyasitshengisa ukuthi wena you are useless. Uyasitshengisa ukuthi wena uyahluleka ukwenza izinto ngendlela yakho. Na yabona nje kule era akekho umuntu othi indoda akondli ini. Like, can't you buy your child everything that they need? When are you not making means? It means when are you not doing what's supposed to be done? Like nje manje si busy ingane zethu fanele zidlale ama toys a top class zihambe go Disneyland. Sisebenzela lokho. Wena ubhizi post ukuthi akondli. Hawo, hayi cha wazwayivila bo. Like ayibo. Lento nje ilula kakhulu kule era esiphila kuyo. Akekho umuntu wesifazane okumele ecomplain ngomuntu wesilisa ongondli. Why? Because ayikho yintsha leyo yinto leyo. Oh baba kudala babehamba beyegoli unyaka wonke engathumela imali, engathumela lutho. Umama would make things happen. Ethumele izingane evarsity enganikanga lutho. Abantu njengamanje bashadile, uthola umuntu ushadile akondliwa uyena othwele umuzi nayo yonke into yayo na wonke amakhosi ayo and uvale umlomo. Umuntu osifazana nje wenza kanjalo. So lento niyenzayo siyanibuka sithi oh wow baze bane energy bole energy bayifaka into the wrong place. Ngoba look at us, we are flying, exchanging planes, boarding planes. We are showing people that akekho kubambile ndiza girl. Ndiza utshengise nje kuye lo baba wengane ukuthi boy you don't matter. Kahle kahle wena usu boy kumina. You don't matter. You don't hold me anyway. You are not my limitation. You are not my story. You are not my sad story. Because believe you me, man post about it let's say akadli sengidabukela and akusukudabukela okuright. Ukudabukela kokuthi hawo ngathi seyibusy emhlabeni kangaka. Wena unanezithombe zababangane. Hayibo. So nje ezinye izinto nawe uyinuka amakhwapha before uzenze. Ezinye izinto nawe uzinuke amakhwapha before uzenze ngoba si busy. The way si busy ngakhona. Akondli lives rent free in our heads, not because it matters but because akondli. Kahleni bafethu. Besides yonke enye into anuke nifunde ukuthatha izinto ezimbi ezinehlaka ezinehlakalele, things that fell upon you as motivation to do better. Uyazi ukuthi kumnandi kanjani ukushintsha imoto ezu3 uyishishe imoto ezu3 wena uma wengane wazi kahle ukuthi uma ngabe ingane iye kubo ayiboni kwamoto kubo ngobani ubaba wayo akondli and on top of that akana moto. What's wrong with that? Why don't you take that angle? Okay? A second way to look at it. Umntwana is a great inspiration to do things. Musu nomntwana une reason yokuthi yazini impilo manje fanele ngiyibuke ngenindlela. I need to inspire somebody else. Omunye umuntu uzokhomba ethi that's my mom. Yes, that's my mom. Why don't you look at it that way? Like be that for your child. Be that for your child. Ubaba ngane imkhohle lowo. mangabe umkhumbula ke kwenzeka they pop out in your mind, it must be an element of konje kunomuntu owangilayo, let me do this for them, let me prove them right ukuthi I can do this on my own. Because when they say akondli, it means try and on your own. So do it on your own. That's a motivation. Like, why don't you do it on your own? Because that person gave you the greatest gift to do things and to let you see ukuthi wena you are a powerful woman. You are a powerful woman, and while you are a powerful woman, ungakhona ukuthwala umntwana on your own and do great things after that. Have you seen girls who graduate besho? I've seen girls umuntu sekuphela iminyaka washo baba sorry evele evuketha ngiphindele esikoleni efike esikoleni egraduate eqashwe ebe namabhizinisi ebe nezimoto nga3 nga4 ebe nezikhampani ebe nabasebenzi. Wena usancela isithupha uthi akondli.
Hey buye wabontana yabona ubabengana. Yeah.
Light and love, the day you realize as a lady, and actually as even males, because I call them males are manje, the day you realize the cheapest thing a man can give you is money, is the day any man will stop playing with you. Because I'm saying it's the cheapest thing, because you can make money on your own. Money is made every day. Like, money can be made every day. Imali is meant to be made. Once you are given it, it loses. Once you are given, it loses the essence of money. It loses the essence of trade. It just loses the whole essence of it. The most expensive thing a man can give you is commitment. That, too tired.